PHP, a dynamic interpreted scripting language for building interactive websites on the server. Despite the haters pronouncing it dead, it remains one of the most popular languages for back-end web development. It powers content management systems like WordPress, top-tier websites like Wikipedia, and countless others via frameworks like Laravel and Symfony. Hell man, even Facebook uses it, although they built a custom compiler to convert it to machine code on their servers. It was created in 1994 by Rasmus Leerdorf to manage his personal home page. Clever acronym, but it sounds lame for a language that powers multi-billion-dollar enterprises. So today we practice cognitive dissonance to tell ourselves PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. It has a special place in history because it predates JavaScript and was one of the first languages to be embedded directly in HTML, allowing websites to be built dynamically on a server. It's open source and was one of the technologies that revolutionized the web by making application development accessible to the average person. Its interpreter is implemented in C and has a syntax inspired by Perl. To get started, create a PHP file and add some basic HTML to it. Within this file, you can go into PHP mode by opening a $PHP tag. The code within these tags will be rendered on the server. Use echo to output a value and the location of the tag. To declare a variable, give it a name that starts with a $sign followed by a value. It's a weakly typed language, so no type annotations are necessary. It also comes with a large number of predefined variables geared towards web development, like get, post, and cookie, which contain information about the incoming HTTP request. Now, when this code is rendered on your server, it will output an HTML string with the PHP tags being replaced by whatever you echoed. The language also supports multiple programming paradigms. You have first-class functions, which can be assigned to variables or used anonymously as arguments, and it has tons and tons of built-in functions to do pretty much anything a web developer could ever imagine doing. It also has a complete object model where you can define classes with inheritance to implement object-oriented patterns. We're currently on PHP version 8, which has all the features you would expect from a modern, pragmatic language. Every web developer should be familiar with it because statistically, there's a 78.5% chance that your client's website is running the personal homepage language. This has been PHP in 100 seconds. Hit the like button if you want to see more short videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.